If you want to get a green card through marriage, you're going to have to go to a local USCIS district office and convince an immigration officer that your marriage is based on a relationship that's genuine and bona fide. At your immigration interview, you're going to meet with an officer, and the officer is going to make a decision about whether or not he or she thinks that your marriage relationship is legit. If everything goes well, your visa petition will be approved and you'll get your green card. If not, if you have problems, if USCIS starts to think that your marriage relationship might not be genuine, then your case could be referred to their fraud detection unit. To prove that your marriage relationship is genuine, here are 3 things that you need to know. Number 1, you and your spouse should be living together. And what do I mean by living together? I mean sleeping under the same roof 100% of the time. Now keep in mind that cohabitation is not a mandatory legal requirement. But if you're not living with your spouse, it could be difficult or even impossible to persuade USCIS that your marriage relationship is genuine. One of the worst things you could possibly do is to list on the form that you and your spouse are living at the same address, when in fact you're not. If you do that, your immigration case could be doomed. Number 2, at your green card interview, an officer is going to ask you and your spouse a series of personal questions. They're going to be the same questions, and they're going to interview you separately to see that your answers line up. They're going to ask you things like, what did you have for dinner last night? How did you celebrate your birthday? They're trying to see that the two of you know each other well and that your answers are the same. Number 3, you need to bring documents to your green card interview, like photographs, insurance certificates, joint bank account statements, tax returns. The goal is to prove that you and your spouse share your lives as a married couple. The way that USCIS conducts a marriage-based green card interview is fair and reasonable. Keep in mind that all they're trying to do is weed out folks who are cheating the system using a fake marriage. Don't be nervous. Good luck, and if you have any questions or need help, just give me a call.